Another really cool service you can use to create your landing pages, and not only landing pages, but you can create sales pages, opt-in pages, webinar pages, thank you pages, upsell. You can literally create the entire funnel if you wanted to. It's called Lead Pages. Okay, leadpages.net. I'm actually going to include the link right below this video if you want to check it out. Now, this is a paid platform. I think it starts out at like $37 a month, if I'm not mistaken. And there is also like a $67 pro version to use this. If you want to check it out, but it's actually pretty easy to use as well. So they give you a whole bunch of templates here. This is the back office. I obviously have an account. So if I go to, let's say, I want to create an opt-in page, right? There is 34 templates right now, as you can see, okay? And see, what's cool about this is I can actually sort these templates based on the highest converting, to show up the highest converting pages at the top, right? So what these guys are doing is they are pulling users for different style and different versions of landing pages, and they're tracking opt-in rates and which one converts the best. They're going to display that first. All right. So if you want to play with it, now I will warn you though, don't fall for that too easily. All right. Sometimes I found, like, for example, when you look at the page, well, if we click on this template right here, I mean it's pretty ugly. Okay. It's a lot of text, a lot of form, sometimes if you fall for the for selecting the first one that shows up as the highest converting, a lot of times what I found is that it's not going to actually be the actual one that converts the highest. Okay, so just kind of use your judgment on that. And if you want to create a landing page here, it's actually really simple. I don't think I actually need to do an entire tutorial on how to do that, just because, let's say when we go to opt-in pages here, okay, see when you go to when you go and take a look at the at different templates here, let's say this one here, right, you can actually watch a tutorial, right, on how to do that, on how to create a landing page, and they actually walk you through how to create a landing page using the leadpages.net. They actually walk you through their system. Okay, pretty self-explanatory, but again, they have tutorials on virtually all of these templates, so you can watch it. I just don't want to take a whole bunch of your time here to show you something that you will probably be watching anyways when you get to the leadpages.net. Okay, but you can also create webinar pages here. That's something pretty cool. They got different templates here. You can create thank you pages here. Again, pretty something you might want to check out. This is something I definitely recommend. If you want to take a look, you can create launch pages, cart and other custom. I mean, they got a whole bunch of stuff here. Again, it is paid. Do I think it's worth it? Yes. If you're going to pay for it, I'd say go use it. Create like a bunch of them and split test them, and so you have a lot of data to when you optimize them and so forth, so when you run your traffic. All right, so yeah, go ahead and if you want to check it out, the link should be right below this video. Go ahead and check it out. In the next video, I'm going to show you another platform, one of my favorite, really super easy to use. It's called Megaphone, and I'll show you that in the next video.